Do you ever walk out of the house for work, get in the car, look down, and you have deodorant streaks on your clothes? Oh, yeah, me too. Let me teach you how to get rid of these without having to turn around and go back home and change, and before you even get out of the car for work. The items you will need is cotton cloth, socks of work, or a pair of nylon pantyhose, most of which we normally always have on. Simply take your cotton socks or pantyhose and rub over the deodorant stain until it's disappeared. I know you're waiting for more directions at this point, but there isn't any. That's it. I bet you didn't know that either of those things took the stain right out. Well, you do now. Spread the love. Share the word. Never be afraid to see those deodorant stains on your clothes again. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe for daily DIY, organizational, and cleaning videos. And please give this video a thumbs up.